Peace and love to my beautiful Cosmiq Soul family. I'm the Cosmiq Soul Plug, and I'm back with another video to cover our next topic of discussion, which is energy and life path number 6. Well, I don't want to waste any time getting to it today, okay? So I want to get started right away. And if you happen to be a life path number 6, then the vibration is all about love. And more than likely, you possess charm and charisma, and your personality is absolutely magnetic. Your ability to attract others to you is like no other. You are generous, kind, and highly attractive. And I don't want to fail to mention how others have admiration and adoration for you. You are the type of individual who has a big heart, who loves to take in strays, whether it be of animals or people. And you are a very helpful individual. And you are very capable of going to extremities. Also, you are very compassionate and you make a solid friend because of your loyalty. The unfortunate thing about that is a lot of instances that loyalty that you have isn't of equal yoke when it's coming from the opposite end of the spectrum. One of your lessons for this lifetime will be to learn and experience what true betrayal feels like, and sometimes on a very traumatic scale, unfortunately. So you may also want to be cautious of the people you attract in your life because you tend to energetically reel in the unhealed. Why? Because you have a need to be needed by others, and that's fine as long as you know how to set healthy boundaries to prevent being taken advantage of. Why should the good people always be stepped on? Maybe because a lot of the good people are empathic, okay? And a lot of people like to latch onto that and use different manipulative or be emotionally manipulative to you because they know that you feel you're a person with a conscience, a very big functioning conscience at that. So you might want to be very mindful. And as I've stated, put up healthy boundaries. It's okay to protect your energy, okay? And be loving at the same time. Another thing, you must understand there are some people you cannot help, which is what you have to learn to live with, okay? Also, you must learn to differentiate between what helping is versus being an interference in your relationships. So you can always lead, okay? And you can always micromanage. Step back and let people be who they are. And with the hopes that people will allow you to be the same for yourself when it comes to you. The areas of success sixes thrive in are in teaching, hospitality, psychology, management, real estate, government. You may be a veterinarian, and anything aesthetically pleasing. Additionally, you are a very opinionated individual, which can sometimes get you into a bit of trouble, okay? And it is imperative that you live in your life's purpose. And if you aren't, then you'll be frequented by financial issues. So you definitely are more than meets the eye because even though you love nice things, you are very resourceful. And the 6 is also a feminine energy. And your sex does not matter in order for you to house this particular energy. Why? Because energy is fluid. Now, for those of you who don't understand or may not know this, whether you're a man or a woman, we possess both feminine and masculine energies within us. It is actually the perfect balance. This is how we were made, okay? In addition, the health issues associated with the sixes will manifest in the reproductive system and even cardiac problems. So be very mindful of that. And my disclaimer is I'm not a professional who can diagnose ailments as such in others. So if you are suffering from any of these things, please feel free, or please, I advise you to seek out the proper authorities and receive the assistance that you may need to better yourself, okay? Or get better. Now, for the fun facts, as we observe the number 6 on the screen, we can see it has the shape of a pregnant woman. This isn't by chance because the 6 is strictly about family unity, okay? If you are a parent, then you already know how difficult it can be to allow your children to be independent. Now, let's take a look at which celebrities has this same or have this same life path number. We have the late great MJ, Michael Jackson, the late great John Lennon, and we have Bruce Willis. Okay, so that's all I have for my beautiful Cosmiq Soul family today. And of course, I'll be back with another video to cover the next energy and life path number, which is 7, which I am really excited about, by the way. So on that note, again, I'm the Cosmiq Soul Plug, and I'm checking out until our next session. So please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and leave a positive comment if you wish, because all that to me is a transfer of love, and I definitely plan on giving you more of that right back with the value that I share on this channel. Okay, so until next time, peace and love, everyone. Ashe.